drone.
A drone?
What's a drone?
Oh, it is too.
What is it? What's a drone?
Oh, gotta get up.
What's a
I'll try to
drone?
make it and show you.
Ah!
Uh-oh. You do yours.
Then you can do yours.
Yeah. What? What is it?
It's a little bit thing. Still nice.
What's an ushi? Is it like squishy?
Yeah, it's a squishy thing for your pencil.
Oh, for your pencil.
I really want to do that princess one.
Oh, yeah?
Because I like princesses.
This one's for superheroes. Where's... I meant if you get scissors, I don't see it for everything.
Let me do that. iPhone number 8. Chocolate I got today. Ooh, sea salt again.
We can get an also rare one.
Ooh, imagine you got an ultra rare one. Let's see.
Let's see if we get an also rare one.
Open it up. They look cute.
Whoa.
Is that wasp?
Yep.
Aww.
Hologram. You got a
Ooh,
hologram.
is that a rare
wasp.
one,
I think
or?
so.
Ooh. Aww. It's cute.
Hello.
Christmas tree is up, and look at that hair. Where is that? What the, do you see that? There it is. No, I don't, whatever. Christmas tree is up. The only other thing I want to get done today is put the Christmas lights up in the front porch. I'd love to be able to put them up all around their house like we used to, but since we did the remodel, it's kind of a bit more difficult. So we just put lights up in our front porch. Still looks quite lovely, but I want to get that done today, and then I will feel much better about this Christmas thing. So we're just taking a quick break. The boys are upstairs playing Lego, and I think I'm going to go downstairs, put a few rows in on Quentin's sweater because I'm almost done, and catch up on my my Vlogmas videos. I tell you guys this every day. I gotta catch up on my Vlogmas videos because there's quite a few of them. So thanks for tuning in there if you're here. I know there's a lot out there right now, but it's kind of fun, right? So anyway, I'm gonna do that for a little bit. Then I gotta clean up that and empty that. that's it. Pretty chill day.
But I was wearing my faded sweater earlier on, that I knit earlier in the year, which is completely fadeless, and it's just knit out of the Kalana or Vector Classic. But it got really warm, so that's because I had to have all the windows shut in the hope that nothing.
You want to sing that more?
I'm vlogging now. I'm vlogging for Christmas.
So we made the cookies yesterday, and we decided that it's blue because it's blue out. We would decorate them today. So we have designers we are not. Bakers, yes, it tastes phenomenal.
Yeah, it's delicious.
But designers we are not. Who cares? Nobody else is receiving these cookies but our stomachs. So whatever.
Pizza!
And now we're having pizza.
For dinner!
And what movie will we watch?
Home Alone.
Home Alone and pizza.
Cheese pizza.
Cheese pizza. And who's been in his pajamas for 2 days?
Quentin!
Yeah! So we're just cleaning up. I did not get to the dishes today. It's still a mess. But that's what Sunday's for. Right? Family time. And I feel like I've already eaten 5 of these, but it's just been licking icing off of my hand.
It's taping time.
Oh gosh.
What's happening?
We're trying to get this new shirt on Mommy's shirt.
Quentin made me a Christmas shirt. A Christmas jumper. It's got Christmassy things all at the bottom.
He loves you. There's a reindeer.
Santa Claus.
Santa. That's lovely.
So now he's putting it on me.
Yeah.
With tape. I'm not going to be able to move to have my pizza.
It's good craftsmanship.